I'm Glenda, your Get Setup Guide. Screencasting is a great tool to use if you want to create videos that will show or teach someone how to do something on the computer while you are talking them through it. You can include yourself in the video or you can just create a voiceover. This is a great digital tool to use if you want to video yourself discussing a topic using a slide presentation, demonstrating how to use another tool, or reading a story to someone. You can also record a regular talking video with only you in it. In this class, you'll learn about how to record a screencast video, edit the video, and share it with anyone via email or social media. Recently, one of our learners, Karen, took the class and said that she was excited about using the tool to create videos of her playing the piano while also showing the sheet music. So whether you want to record videos to teach someone else something, read stories to your grandchildren, or prepare videos to upload on YouTube, Share Your Ideas Using Screencasting is a great class for you to take, and you will also meet other people that you can share ideas with.